Welcome back. Now we're going to create the login, rounded button, and also the sign up in this video. So below this image.asset, as you guys can see that below this, put a comma first, and then let's have rounded button that we created before. We didn't see the segregation, anyways we will write it, okay, and write it and comma for that. Now I'll just import the library for this rounded button. So click in here, as you guys can see that red bow, clicking that, and there we go with the rounded button dot library imported. Now we will provide some arguments that we just created right in this rounded button. So in here the first one that we will give is going to be text, and the text we will give, as you guys know already, the first one that we will get, it's going to be simply for login. So in here type login, and also it's going to take the press event as we created before, okay, right in the previous video, right in the rounded button. So let's have that in here. Let's click event. Now simply whenever the user will click upon this login text, and in here we just set this click event press, okay, it's going to send the user right to the login screen. Okay, for now I'll leave this press empty because we didn't create the dot file for the login screen. As you guys can see in here right in the lib, there is a home screen, splash screen, welcome screen, and widget. We didn't create the login screen yet. So for now in here I'll just leave this empty, and we will add the navigator later, simply for sending the user right to the login screen whenever we will create the login screen, that dot file. Now let's have another rounded button simply for the sign up. So for the time saying, what I'll do, I'll simply just copy that rounded button from here, copy it, and below this rounded button in here paste it like that. In here we will just change that text. So in here I'll say sign space top sign up, okay. So we didn't create the sign up page yet, the screen dot file, as you guys can see already, okay. So we're gonna work on that right in the upcoming videos. For now we just created that rounded button, okay. Now what I'll do, I'm gonna simply just show you the result. And guys, I have already hot reloaded the app, okay. I just hot reload the app from here. If you guys didn't hot reload the app, simply first do that, okay. So I'll just press the Ctrl S, and you guys will notice that login and also the sign up. So there we go with the Ctrl S, and there we go with the output login and also the sign up, okay guys. So it's working totally fine, and you guys can see that. And guys, one more thing, you can also add the color and text color right to this rounded button, as we created that right in the previous video, right in the rounded button, okay. Let me just check it in front of you guys so that you guys can get the idea. Right in here, let's add the color, and I'll go with the colors. It's already black 54 as we set it right in the rounded button. Let me just show you. Press the Control and then left click on the mouse. It will take you right to this rounded button. As you guys can see right in here, we just set this color right to this black 54, okay. We just set it and assign that black 54 right in this color, and also the text color is white, okay. So you guys can see the result right in here. The text color is white and that color for this is black 54. So we can also give a change color in here. Let's say I'll go with a gray, okay. There we go. As you guys can see the sign up color now, okay. So according to your personal choice, you can give the color whatever you want, but I'll go with the black 54 as we set it before right in the rounded button, okay. And the text color was white, and in here you can give whatever you want, okay. Let's go, I'll go with the deep purple. Now as you guys can see, the text color is deep purple, but we change that color right to this black 54, okay. Now I think the white color was more good, so I'll go with the white one. As we said it also right in the rounded button, just look more professional. That's fine. As you guys can see the result, you can add that argument right in here and you can play with it. So I hope you can get the idea now, and you guys can see that right in here, right in this rounded button for the login, we didn't add that argument like color and text color because we already set that right in the rounded button. Press the control and then left click on the mouse, it will take you right to the rounded button. As you guys can see right in here, that color we just set it to black 54 and we just assign it in here, and also the text color, that is white, and we assign it right in here. That's why in here, as you guys can see, the text color is white and that color for this rounded button is black 54. okay, as we set it right in the rounded button, so don't confuse in that. It just simply pass that black 54, assign it that right in this color, and in here right in the background color we use that color. So that's why in here you guys can see that black 54. okay, and as similar for the text color. okay, there we go, simply for the text. So I hope it's more clear now, and right from the next video we will create a login dot file and also the sign up dot file, and we're gonna simply then set the navigator right in here. okay, in this press click event, and also simply for the sign up in this press event. So then the user will click right in the future on this login, or let's say for the sign up, it will simply send that specific user right to their login if he or she click on that, and also for the sign up. So that's it for this video, and gonna work further right in the next video. So see ya.